Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. From its striking blue ceramic finish to its promise of healthy, effortless cooking, this set has been making waves, and we're here to find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with what's under the hood. This cookware boasts a premium forged construction. Now, what does that mean for you in the kitchen? Forging is a process that makes metal strong and durable, but crucially, it can also make it surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle. Nuwave emphasizes that this construction is a work of art, blending form with function, and designed to perform well no matter your skill level. This is important because we all want cookware that feels good in our hands, is easy to maneuver, and can withstand the rigors of daily cooking. The standout feature, undoubtedly, is the healthy Duralon Blue coating. This isn't just any non-stick surface. It's described as eco-friendly and ultra non-stick, and more importantly, it's PFAS-free. This means no PTFE, no PFOA, no lead, and no cadmium. For those concerned about the chemicals in their cookware, this is a huge selling point. Nuwave even goes a step further, stating it doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, and they've had it tested by TÜV Rheinland for 106 known PFAS elements, with none detected. This commitment to health and safety is a major part of their appeal. This Duralon Blue coating is their Generation 10, or G10, ceramic. They've been refining this coating for over a decade, and they claim Gen10 Duralon Blue is exceptional. It's designed to heat fast and evenly, release food effortlessly, and be extraordinarily durable. The durability aspect is further highlighted by its hardness rating. It's rated at 9H, which is just shy of diamond at 10H. This means it has high resistance to abrasion and corrosion. The claim is that it won't chip or discolor and will maintain its non-stick properties for longer. This is critical for any non-stick cookware, as a scratched or worn-out surface defeats the purpose. Another key promise is induction readiness and even heat distribution. Each piece in this set is bonded and reinforced with an anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom. This makes them compatible with induction cooktops, which is a must for many modern kitchens. Beyond just compatibility, this bonding is designed to deliver fast, even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, and superior heat retention at any temperature. This means no more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. Now, let's talk about the practicalities. The set includes tempered glass lids, which allow you to keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid, preserving heat and moisture. And importantly, these lids come with stay-cool handles, a small but significant detail that prevents burnt fingers. The cookware is also advertised as dishwasher and oven safe, adding to its convenience factor. So, what are the pros and cons of the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set? On the pro side, the health-conscious aspect is a major win. The PFAS-free, eco-friendly coating is a significant draw for many consumers. The promised durability, backed by the 9H hardness rating, suggests this cookware could be a long-term investment. The even heating and induction readiness are essential for modern cooking performance. And the inclusion of tempered glass lids with stay-cool handles and dishwasher/oven safety makes it a practical choice for everyday use. However, there are always potential downsides to consider. While the durability is claimed to be high, ceramic non-stick coatings, in general, can sometimes be more sensitive to high heat or abrasive cleaning methods compared to traditional non-stick or cast iron. We'll need to see how it holds up over extensive use. The work of art, forged construction, while beneficial for weight and handling, might not offer the same robust feel as some heavier, cast-style pans for those who prefer that heft. Also, while oven safe, it's always good to check the specific temperature limits to ensure it meets all your baking needs. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set presents a compelling package. It strongly emphasizes health and safety with its PFAS-free coating and offers promising performance features like even heating and durability. If you're looking for a kitchen upgrade that prioritizes healthy cooking and modern functionality, this set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.